In an earlier video, I showed you how to pull an email address hidden in a sentence using regular expressions in Excel. But that was the easy part. There was only one email to find. But what happens when a sentence is packed with multiple matches of the same pattern? Can Excel handle it? And if yes, then how? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Let's dive straight into the demo and see how this unfolds. Here is an example of a few short sentences that contain social media handles. You'll see serial number 2 and 5 have 2 handles each. Let us first start by extracting the first social media handle. We will begin by writing the function regex extract. The first parameter we have to provide is called text. Here we will refer to the short sentence in the cell B2. The next parameter is pattern. Let's start building the pattern. We'll start with opening quotation marks. The first character in a handle is the @ symbol. So let's just write @. After that, we will open a square bracket to define the pattern for the handle name. And we will write A to Z to cater for uppercase characters. And similarly for lowercase characters, we will write A to Z in the lowercase. Social media handles can also have numbers, underscore and a period. Therefore, we will write 0 to 9, underscore and a period. Close the square bracket. And after that, we will write a plus. The plus symbol indicates that there must be at least one character from the pattern defined in square brackets. There is no limit on the total number of characters, which allows this pattern to cater to social media handles of varying lengths. Close the quote and the bracket, and we get the handle. As I copy the formula down, you will see we only get the first handle for serial numbers 2 and 5. Now let's look at extracting all the handles. There are 2 ways in which you can extract the handles. In the first way, you can extract all handles in different cells in Excel. I will copy the formula for serial number 2. And paste it in cell D2. As I edit the formula, I see a third parameter, return mode. Here one of the options is to return all matches. If we don't select an option explicitly, then it returns the first match by default. But for now, I will write 1 to return all matches. Now as you can see, both the matches are returned in different columns. If that's what you want, then this solution is fine. However, what do you do if you want all the handles to be returned in the same cell? That's where the second solution comes in. I will use the TEXTJOIN function here. Let's write TEXTJOIN just before the reg extract function. The delimiter is a comma followed by a space. For the next parameter, ignore empty, we will write true. And the result of reg extract function will provide the values for text 1, 2, 3 and so on. Close the bracket for the TEXTJOIN function. And there it is. We now have the result in the same cell. Let's copy it to the other cells. We can see the results for both serial numbers 2 and 5. Both of them are now showing all the handles in the same cell. So that's how you return multiple values that match a pattern. If you want to see more regular expressions, you can refer to this sheet here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you'd like to learn more about Excel and Power BI, consider subscribing our channel, Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.